In November 2013, the Philippines faced one of the most powerful typhoons ever recorded. Typhoon Haiyan, known locally as Yolanda, brought unprecedented devastation, but it also showcased the resilience and unity of the Filipino people. Typhoon Haiyan made landfall on November 8, 2013, with winds reaching up to 195 miles per hour and storm surges as high as 25 feet. The storm caused massive destruction, particularly in the eastern Visayas region, with the city of Tacloban being one of the hardest-hit areas. The aftermath was catastrophic. Over 6,300 people lost their lives, and millions were displaced. Homes, infrastructure, and livelihoods were obliterated, leaving communities in urgent need of aid and support. The global response was swift and overwhelming. Countries, organizations, and individuals from around the world rallied to provide emergency aid. Relief efforts included food, water, medical supplies, and rebuilding initiatives, highlighting a collective humanitarian spirit. Amid the chaos, stories of resilience and hope emerged. Local communities came together to support each other, rebuilding homes and infrastructure from the ground up. The Filipino spirit of bayanihan, or communal unity, was on full display as neighbors helped one another to recover and rebuild. Over the years, the affected regions have made remarkable progress. Through a combination of local and international efforts, many areas have been rebuilt stronger than before. The experience also prompted significant improvements in disaster preparedness and response strategies in the Philippines. Typhoon Haiyan was a devastating event, but it also served as a testament to the resilience and solidarity of the Filipino people. Their strength in the face of adversity continues to inspire and remind us of the power of unity and hope. This story is dedicated to all those who lost their lives during Typhoon Haiyan, one of the most devastating natural disasters in history. It also honors the countless individuals and organizations who have contributed to the recovery and rebuilding efforts over the years. Your courage, resilience, and spirit have shown the world the power of unity and hope. Thank you for watching. If you found this video meaningful, please like, share, and subscribe for more stories of resilience and hope. Together, we can make a difference.